Rock Falls, and I've got Melinda Jones joining me from Rock Falls Tourism this morning. Melinda, thank you so much for coming out here.
Oh, no problem. I enjoy being out here.
I am having so many flashbacks from childhood. I spent so many falls out here at Selmi, so this is really cool to be back. But I want to talk about a couple of really cool events coming up. The first one comes up on Friday evening, and folks have the opportunity to potentially break a Guinness Book of World Records.
Yes, that's what we want to do. We want to make it a tradition, so we're inviting everybody to come out dressed in your plaid. And we'll take a group photo at the RB&W district at 7 p.m. So we want everybody down there, but downtown's got specials going on. So go down there and have some fun with it. And we have a guest too. The Lumberjacks will actually be down there partying with us.
Oh, so a little pre-show, if you will.
So,
Now note the time she said, 7 p.m. So we're not talking about you're going to be in the sun, getting hot and all that. You're going to be comfortable.
Yes, yes.
And where's that going to be held at?
That's at the RB&W Park, 201 East 2nd Street in Rock Falls, down by the Holiday Inn and the river there.
Yep, very easy to find. If you're coming in on Route 40, First Avenue, you take a right, you're right there to it. Now coming up here on Saturday, this is something that's been really, really popular. And this is the 4th year you're bringing it back, the Lumberjack Show. Tell us a little bit about that.
So we have the Lumberjack Enterprises, and they're from Minnesota, and they will come down. We've had them all these years. They're awesome to work with, and they will do all the log rolling. They will do the saw cutting. They'll do the carving, the axe throwing. So they'll have all your typical, lumberjack activities going on. They have 3 shows, one at 11, 1 and 3. And then at 2 o'clock, we have a beard contest. And at 1:30, we have a kids interactive camp. The kids go out and roll on the logs too in the water. So be prepared; they're going to be wet, but
that
it's going to be fun.
That is going to be so much fun.
Yes.
Really quickly, what's the cost for folks to attend that on Saturday?
I believe it's $8 per person 2 years and older, and that includes everything. So the lumberjack shows, the Zallywood carving, the beard contest, to watch it, and all of Selmi's fun things.
That is awesome. And if you look around us here, Selmi's has so much to do. They've got the hay rack rides. They've got all the animals on display. It's a really good time. So if you haven't been here, check it out. It's right on Dixon Avenue, so super easy to find. Where can folks go? Quick spot to go find more information about this.
Visit rockfalls.com.
Perfect. Melinda, thank you so much for having us this morning. It's good to see you.
You too.
We're going to talk more about what you can do here at Selmi's this weekend, too. That's coming up as GMQC at 11 continues right after this.